The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
If anything you buck up around you can't stop. Shut that brake, man, shut that brake. Make you can feel the brake so you touch brake. Now when you see your clearance, you let go of brake. Now when you go on, can you touch your brake? Shut that brake and cool down yourself and go on. Like now, shut that brake now, shut that brake. Hey, tap! Bumbo blood clot! You don't see brake that's up?
Yeah man, me just... Me put in reverse man, for sleeping.
Yo, easy man, easy. Chat now brother!
Catch anything?
My youth, oh you going to post, you see road this, you see road this up. You see road this, you see road this, you going to post. But you see road two sides, where you going to post I go? Me bumbo clot.
Viewers and subscribers, I always respect teachers. I always have respect for the people that will teach people how to drive. But after I look at this video, my respect just get higher than it already was. I mean, from the video start, the man I tell the man to shadow the brake, shadow the brake, shadow the brake. Viewers and subscribers, look which part the vehicle go stop. The vehicle stop off the road, pointing towards the bushes. And viewers and subscribers, you may never know or you can never tell what is behind those bushes. It can be a gully. You know, who knows? You see me? Now viewers and subscribers, don't get me wrong, you know, the man might be nervous and all them things, you know, you never can tell what or why, you know, these things happen, you know, you can be nervous. You understand? But, and it all depends on the teacher them too, because some of the time you have some teachers that is very aggressive. You have some of them like, you see me? But viewers and subscribers, judging by what we see in this video, it look like a frightened. The man frightened. The man where I teach the man how to drive, it look like a frightening get frightened. I mean, look which part the car end up. It would have seems as if it's the light pole that stopped the car from going any further off the road. You know? A motor vehicle can be a good thing, but it can be very dangerous. Well anyways, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about something like this. You see me? I mean, how many of you made mistakes while, you know, learning to drive, and so you can tell me your experience of learning to drive and all them things. You know, the things set already. Alright? And as always, you know, somebody have to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?